Home remedies for palpitations. Heart palpitations are abnormality or irregularity in the heartbeat characterized by a feeling like your heart is fluttering or beating too slowly or too fast. This can last from just a few seconds to as long as hours. These can be various causes of palpitations, including external stimulus, physiological factors, and hormonal or biological conditions. Anemia, overactive thyroid, and electrolyte imbalance in the body, low sugar level, high level of adrenaline due to stress or anxiety, strenuous exercise, excessive intake of caffeine, nicotine or alcohol, and use of illicit drugs like cocaine and marijuana are some of the most important causes of palpitations.
Don't forget to like, share and comment on the video. Also subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates.
Number 1 is Valsalva Maneuver. The ancient technique can help to restore a fat heartbeat to the normal. It calls physical intervention that stimulates the 10th cranial nerve, vagus nerve. This in turn leads to slowing of the heart rate. First, pinch your nose, close your mouth, and then try to breathe out forcefully. This will accelerate your heart rate and then slow down your heartbeat. Number 2 is coughing. Coughing vigorously for a few minutes can help to break the pattern of palpitations. It causes pressure to build up your chest, which puts your heart back into a normal rhythm, and this is not a preventive measure. Use this remedy only when you're having a palpitation. Number 3 is deep breathing. Deep breathing is one of the best way to deal with the heart palpitations. It helps to ease the anxiety as well as panic attacks, and in turn helps to normalize your heart rate. Deep breathing can also help to relax the body and increase the oxygen supply to the brain. Sit comfortably in a cross-legged position to take slow, deep breaths throughout your nose, allowing your body to expand with each inhalation. Breathe out slowly throughout the mouth. Repeat for a few minutes until the heart slows down. Number 4 is cold water. As a decrease in the fluid intake can make the heart more prone to irregular heartbeats. Try drinking a glass of cold water to help to restore your normal heartbeat. It will also help to reduce the stress, anxiety, and dizziness. Splashing cold water on your face can also help with the palpitations and panic attacks. You can also take a cold shower. Cold water helps to shock your nervous system to help get some heartbeat back to the normal. Number 5 is backstrap molasses. Backstrap molasses is a simple solution to control the palpitations. Being rich in potassium, iron, calcium, and manganese, it helps to prevent these deficiencies in the body that can take palpitation. It is particularly good at treating anemia, one of the leading causes of the heart palpitations. Stir 1 tablespoon of the black strip molasses into a cup of water and drink it.